Hello everyone, welcome back to Art Brigade's yet another beautiful abstract art painting. So this is going to be a beautiful vibrant abstract art using 5 colors. So first I used Montmartre titanium white acrylic color as a base. This is a kind of a wet on wet abstract painting. So I'm not letting my paint to dry completely. I may apply colors layer by layer. Next, I'm making a design using a palette knife with a pink shade. Very slowly and gently, you can make this kind of design. It is now the mix of white, and you can see swatches of a paint here and there. I'm trying to make a more texture with acrylic paint itself. Next color I used here is a light blue from Amsterdam brand. I'm just making designs matching to lower portion. Here I'm using number 5 palette knife. Its spatula is very narrow. So these two portions are filled with this color combination. Next I want to look the whole painting more vibrant with colors. So this painting uses different color techniques and application technique. So please watch till end of this video to see the final result. I'm just making a swatches of colors over the blue color. So it gives shades of different colors and not completely mixing the colors, but a little bit at the end of each color. This is called one of the vanishing technique of using colors. As you can see, I'm just smudging those ends of the dark color to get the layer of different colors. To make the painting a more precision, I'm just adding sharp edge touch at the end of each colors. You can just watch how I'm doing it. That's why I used number 5 narrow shaped palette knife. So for the lower portion I chose a golden color. So for the lower portion I chose golden color, and I followed the same direction for this design also. It's a kind of very easy painting that everyone can try if you love palette knife paintings. Next I want to highlight those golden areas with burnt umber. It's a shade of a brown. Just swatches of colors layer by layer. So one thing you have to keep in mind that this is a wet on wet kind of painting, so don't let the other colors dry. So it actually improves your painting speed because it's acrylic paint, it dries so fast. I'm making small texture here and there. As you can see, the texture adds the beauty of this painting. Now I'm using a slanted brush of size 0. I'm just fade the sharp ends of the colors. These are some easy techniques to apply on your painting skills. So paint with me every time. Take your own colors and do it with me. Now you can see the sharp edges were being faded with other color, giving the painting a finished or complete look. This is the way most of the artists blend colors. First they use palette knife technique, wet on wet technique, then they use a dry brush of a very narrow size, and then they smudge the sharp ends with a brush, so you will get a mix of different colors, and it also fade the colors. Some painting actually need a more blending. That way you can get a painting a rich look. If you don't want to blend colors, you can just leave as it is. But I prefer to blend colors. That makes my paintings more unique from others. As it is a wet on wet technique, you can remove paint and left as a white color with a tip of palette knife, because it's a sharp narrow edge tip. To get a texture effect, I'm taking a good amount of acrylic paint and adding layer by layer. Now I'm giving outlines just to separate the same color. This is a kind of high speed movement brush technique. This will fade extra layers and make a new layer of colors. So anyone here can count how many colors I used for this painting. So I made a background using all these colors. Now I want to make the painting more glittery and shimmering effect. So I'm using gold leaf. For that I used gold leaf adhesive first. As you can see, I'm applying a thin layer of gold leaf adhesive on the paint. So one mistake I did with this painting is I didn't wait for the paint to dry completely. As you can see, the gold leaves are sticking onto my paints. My intention is to get the gold leaf linings on the paint, but here the gold leaves are sticking on my paints. You can see the flakes of gold leaf were falling and it is sticking onto my paints. So please wait some time to dry your paints, then start applying gold leaf. Otherwise it is going to be very difficult to make the painting correction. And it is a last stage of a painting, and I'm in a hurry to finish the painting, and now I'm hopeless how to make the painting corrections beautifully. So what I did here is I took a small amount of colors. Like here I took a blue color and hide those extra gold leaf with the paint. This is just a one way of hiding extra gold leaf. So we should have patience while painting. That's the one lesson I can tell you all. Also, you should learn how to correct those mistakes. Here all I am correcting my mistake. As you can see, I am trying to hide those extra gold leaf. My concept was to get a very thin layer of a gold leaf. Anyhow, this painting looked so good for me because of this vibrant color shades, and adding extra shimmering effect makes this painting even more beautiful. Next, I'm going to highlight those gold leaf lines with a darker shades of a green. I hope you understand the technique I used here and how I corrected my mistake. Let me know how many colors I used for this painting in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.